All right, guys, this is our Rinnai natural gas tankless water heater. This is this is the RL75. Now I know this thing looks brand new, but this is actually an 8-year-old unit, which I can't even believe I'm saying that because this thing works like brand new. First of all, the past 8 years have been the first time of us having a tankless water heater, and it has completely changed our lives. Specifically for me, just having a full family of four, and sometimes maybe even have friends over or family, could be 6 or 8, and you have endless hot water no matter how many people are in the house. This unit has served us well for people that want to relax in the bath, and maybe you can fill up as much hot water as you want in that bath, but even if the bath starts to cool off, you can have more hot water. It only takes about a minute to get the hot water working. That's it. Then you have endless hot water. You can take an hour-long shower, and you've got more water to run the washer. You've got more water to run the dishwasher. You've got more water for 10 more hot showers after that. This thing is unbelievable. I believe it's actually a spiritual buy. If you've never had a tankless water heater, you owe it to yourself to try this. And if you have a tankless water heater, but you're looking for a new one, you owe yourself to try this because this is an 8-year review. We've never had one single problem, and it has just worked for us incredibly well.